Question 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in figure. एक क्लासरूम में 4 बिंदुओं A, B, C और D पर बैठे हुए हैं. चंपा and चमेली walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, चंपा asked चमेली, "Don't you think ABCD is square?" चंपा और चमेली दो दोस्त क्लासरूम में अंदर जाते हैं और कुछ देर तक देखने के बाद चंपा चमेली से बोलती है कि क्या तुम यह नहीं सोचती कि ABCD एक स्क्वायर है, वर्ग है? चमेली डिसएग्रीज. चमेली इससे सहमत नहीं है. यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फार्मूला फाइंड व्हिच ऑफ देम इज करेक्ट. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला का उपयोग करके यह पता लगाइए कि इन दोनों में से कौन सही है. चंपा सही है कि चमेली सही है, स्क्वायर है ABCD की नहीं है. फ्रॉम फिगर इट इज क्लियर दैट कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ A इज 3, 4. कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B इज दिस इज x एक्सिस एंड दिस इज y एक्सिस. डिस्टेंस ऑफ B along x axis is 6. Distance of B along y axis is 7. Coordinate of B is 6, 7. Coordinate of C is 9, 4. Coordinate of D is 6, 1. From figure it is clear that coordinates of A, B, C, D are 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 4 and 6, 1. By distance formula. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to AB. x2 6, x1 3. 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. थ्री होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर. नाइन प्लस 9. इसको लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू 9. 9 का स्क्वायर रूट 3, 3 रूट 2. सिमिलरली डिस्टेंस BC इज इक्वल टू BC 9 minus 6 whole square plus 4 minus 7 whole square. Three square plus minus 3 square. 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Root 18 3 root 2. Now CD. C and D 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. Minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. Distance AD is equal to A and D 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. 6 minus 3 whole square 3 square plus minus 3 square. 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 3 root 2. From 1, 2, 3 and 4 we see that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the four sides are equal. Therefore, it may square or rhombus. यह स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है, रम्बस भी हो सकता है। दोनों में से कौन सा है ये जानने के लिए हम इसके डायगोनल AC और BD निकालेंगे। अगर डायगोनल इक्वल हैं तो स्क्वायर हो जाएगा ABCD, और अगर डायगोनल इक्वल नहीं है तो रम्बस होगा। सो ABCD इज स्क्वायर और rhombus. Now we will find length of two diagonals AC and BD. Diagonal AC x2 minus x1 whole square 9 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Six square plus 0 square. 6 square is equal to 6. Diagonal BD is equal to B and D. 6 minus 6 whole square plus 1 minus 7 whole square. Zero square plus minus 6 square. 0 plus 36. 36 root equal to 6. It is 5 and it is 6. From 5 and 6, diagonal is equal to diagonal BD. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Therefore, all the four sides of ABCD are equal and two diagonals are equal. Therefore, ABCD is a square. Thus, Champa is correct. Question 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed, if any, by the following points and give reasons for your answer. नीचे दिए गए बिंदुओं से यदि कोई चतुर्भुज बनता है तो उसका टाइप किस प्रकार का चतुर्भुज है बताना है और अपने उत्तर का तर्क भी देना है, रीज़न बताना है। नंबर 1 -1 -2 1 0 -1 2 -3 0. Let the four given points are A, B, C and D. We have to find distance between AB, BC, CD, AD and also AC and BD by distance formula. AB is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square x1 is -1, x2 is 1, x2 minus x1 1 minus -1 means 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus -2 means 0 plus 2 whole square. Two square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 का square root 2, 2 root 2. BC -1 whole square 2 minus 0 whole square -2 whole square plus 2 square 4 plus 4 root 8 is equal to 2 root 2. CD minus 3 minus 1 means minus 3 plus 1 whole square. 0 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. Is equal to 2 root 2. Now distance AD is equal to minus 3 minus 1 means minus 3 plus 1 whole square. 0 minus minus 2 means 0 plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4 root 8 equal to 2 root 2. 1 this is 2, this is 3, 4. From 1 to 3 and 4, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All the four sides are equal, therefore it may be square or rhombus. Now we will find two diagonals. Diagonal S is equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Minus 1 minus minus 2 means minus 1 plus 1 whole square. 2 minus minus 2 means 2 plus 2 whole square. 0 square plus 4 square. 0 plus 16 is equal to 4. Diagonal BD minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 0 minus 0 whole square minus 4 whole square plus 0. 16 root 16 equal to 4. Number 5. Number 6. From 5 and 6, S equal to BD. All the four sides are equal and two diagonals are equal, therefore it is square. Question 6. Number 2. Minus 3 5 3 1 0 3 minus 1 minus 4. Let these points are A, B, C and D. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 means 3 minus minus 3 means 3 plus 3 whole square. 1 minus 5 whole square. 6 square plus minus 4 square. 36 plus 16 equal to root 52. This can be written as 4 into 13. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 root 13. Now base is equal to 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Minus 3 square plus 2 square. 9 plus 4 is equal to root 13. AC 0 minus minus 3 means 0 plus 3 whole square 3 minus 5 whole square, 3 square plus minus 2 square, 9 plus 4 is equal to root 13. From 1, 2 and 3, we see that BC plus AC is equal to AB. It means point A, B, C are collinear. Therefore, by given 4 points, quadrilateral is not formed. सेकेंड मेथड, इन चारों पॉइंट को ग्राफ पेपर में प्लॉट करके भी बता सकते हैं कि क्वाड्रिलेटरल नहीं है। ये फर्स्ट मेथड है। सेकेंड मेथड, प्लॉटिंग ऑल द 4 पॉइंट्स, वी गेट A, B and C are collinear. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, y dash, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. We see that these 3 points are collinear. minus 3, 5, A point, 3, 1, B point, 0, 3, C point, A, B, C are collinear. Therefore, A, B, C, D is not a quadrilateral. Number 3, 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 2. Let these 4 points are A, B, C and D. We will find distance AB, BC, CD and AD by distance formula. AB is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 7 minus 4 whole square plus 6 minus 5 whole square, three square plus 1 square is equal to 9 plus 1 root 10. Similarly, BC is equal to three minus 6 whole square minus 3 square plus minus 3 square, 9 plus 9 root 18. CD 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square, nine plus 1 is equal to root 10. AD is equal to 1 minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square, now AC 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square, zero square plus minus 2 square, 0 plus 4 is equal to 2. BD is equal to BD 1 minus 7 whole square plus 2 minus 6 whole square, minus 6 whole square plus minus 4 whole square, 36 plus 16 is equal to root 52. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From above we see that AB is equal to root 10, CD is equal to root 10. AB is equal to CD. BC is equal to root 18 and AD is equal to root 18. They are equal. BC is equal to AD. And two diagonals AC and BD are not equal. Therefore, it is parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Question 7. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Any point on the x-axis is x0 because every point on the x-axis has y coordinate 0. As y coordinate of every point on x-axis is 0. Therefore, any point is x0. Y coordinate must be 0. Now, given points are A and B. As per question, P is equidistant from A and B. It means PA is equal to PB. Or PA square is equal to PB square. PA square, PA square, x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5 means 0 plus 5 whole square. स्क्वायर है इसलिए इसका रूट लगाना नहीं है. PB स्क्वायर x minus 2 means x plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. A minus B whole square का फार्मूला यूज किया. x square minus twice of their product 4x. A plus B whole square फार्मूला यूज किया. दोनों साइड से एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल, 4 कैंसिल, minus 4x is equal to 81 minus 25 minus 8x is equal to 56. X is equal to 56 by minus 8 is equal to minus 7. Answer. Required point on the x-axis is minus 7, 0.